Hello YouTube, welcome to my first unboxing video featuring this Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi which I got from Lazada. This is also available on Shopee, link in the description. Today we're going to find out what is included inside the box. The product model is ZLT S10G. And if you are planning to buy this product, so you better stay tuned, for I will also show you how to set this up and connect to the internet. Also, I'll be providing tips on how to optimize internet speed for this product. Alright, now let's begin unboxing. Before opening the product, always make sure the seal is intact. The first thing you'll notice after opening this box of is of course a silica gel. And aside from this imaginary burger, we have here our LAN internet cable, 2 antennas, power adapter, and your router or modem without the burger. Also includes user manual, warranty cards, some stickers, and a SIM which is already inserted in the device. Now installing the antennas. The first is the right side going outward, and for the left side going inward. After installation, you may slowly raise the antennas. Insert the power cord behind the device. Still located at the back is the power button. Now to connect to the internet, first open your Wi-Fi and search for the device. And after finding your device, use the default password located underneath your device. To activate the 10 gigs of data, go to your messenger and open up and search for Globe at Home. Once found, now click Get Started to begin. To proceed, just click yes. After a few seconds, this will show up and you may look for Manage Prepaid Wi-Fi. Alright, next is click Activate 10 GB. Before clicking, this is my modem. Double check if you are connected to the same device. After that, wait for a few seconds and then you may type in your 11-digit SIM card number, which is also indicated behind the back of your device. Double check your number and click send. And lastly, to finish the activation, confirm the number by clicking yes. After receiving the confirmation, now you can begin surfing the internet. To begin checking your balance, first search for Globe at Home application and then download. And for reloads, you have the option to download the Gcash application. After the download, open the app and then begin entering your 11-digit SIM card number, which is located at the back of your device. Then click next and find the image of your device. Proceed by clicking I'm already connected, and it will verify your connection to your device. After the verification, you may create your 4-digit personal PIN. Alright, once you're all set, go to the settings on your left and then click Get More Data to check the promos. To reload using the app, look for the promo that you want, and you have two options. If you have a mobile phone that has a Globe SIM card on it, you can choose a promo and have it charged from that number. And your second option is have it charged through your Gcash account. However, if you don't want either of these options, you can directly load up from any retail stores near your location. Now to customize your Wi-Fi settings, go to your browser and type in 198.168.254.254, then click Login. In order to log in, we must enter the default username and password. Once logged in, we will first change the default username and password, so that the next time you plan to modify your router or modem settings, it will be easier for you to log in. Now to do this, look for System Settings on your right, and then click System Setting, and then click Modify Password, and enter the old password, then change the username and password as you like, and then click Apply. Next up is to customize the Wi-Fi name and password of your device. To do this, click on Device Settings and look for Wi-Fi settings on your left and click SSID settings. You may change the default Wi-Fi name by clicking on SSID, and then you may put your desired Wi-Fi name. This will appear during the Wi-Fi scanning every time you connect to your device. Once done, change the password and then click Apply. Now let's begin optimizing your connection. In your browser, log into your router dashboard and look for the device settings. Then look for Wi-Fi settings and click on Advanced Settings. Then you may choose the uncommonly used frequency channel. Prevent overlapping with other Wi-Fi signals. Now proceeding to tip number 2, we will begin choosing the best frequency band for the connection. To do this, look for device settings inside the dashboard and then click Advanced Settings, and once you see the DHCP, click it once. Then from the above URL, change #router_settings to #frequency. Once you entered, you should see 4 different frequency bands. Check all the boxes and begin testing each frequency band by doing a speed test. While testing each frequency band, observe the signal strength. Stronger signals indicates better connectivity. Better connectivity means better coverage from the source, and this will likely allow you to reach optimum speeds. For best result, find the best spot to position your device. This concludes our unboxing and tutorial for today. Thank you for reaching this far. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.